morning, friends, and happy Thursday. Today is a ponytail kind of day. So I have my hair in a ponytail today. It's raining, it's cloudy, it's crappy outside. So I just have on this sweatshirt. Love this sweatshirt. Okay, I got it from Zulily, and I probably will never order, even though I like the stuff from Zulily and I love some of their things. Like this, for example, is one of them. And I ordered another one, which is red with white stripes. But anyway, I ordered this from Zulily, absolutely love it. It just took forever for it to get here. And I was hoping that it would come before we left for our trip tomorrow, which I'm gonna reveal where we are going later on in the video. I'm so excited. But anyway, so I just threw this little sweatshirt on, and it's not even like a heavy sweatshirt. It's real thin material. It's got a cute little like gray hoodie that you can wear with it. Cute little strings. It's got like the zipper, and I think basically the zipper is like for ambiance, like for just to show, because I don't think it like if you unzip it, there's nothing like, I can't even get my finger in there. Yeah, it's just material, so it like doesn't go anywhere. But I just thought it was cute. I liked it. And then I'm just wearing black pants. If you guys can see, they're not black pants. Kind of sideways here. Black pants and some tennis shoes because I'm gonna run some errands today. Today I'm getting my oil changed and new tires on my car. I need to run to Target. I need to go to the bank. And what else did I need to do? I have a whole, I gotta go to Publix because I have a list of things I gotta get at Publix. And then, yeah, that is it. But I thought before I left for the bank, because the bank doesn't open for a few more minutes. So I thought before I left, I would go ahead and make up the bed. That way that was done and out of the way. So, and of course, start the vlog and introduce you guys to the day. And tomorrow, so excited. Okay, I will tell you guys later on in the vlog. I can't tell you now because, yeah, no, I'm not gonna tell you now. I'm not gonna say anything now. But I have kind of thrown out hints throughout the week, like things that I was wearing, a few things that I said. So, yeah. So, yeah, I'm gonna make it the bed, and then I will check back in with you guys when I'm in the car on my way to the bank and stuff. Alrighty guys, so I'm in line at the bank. It isn't quite open yet. It's got about 5 minutes till it opens, but I did stop off at my P.O. box really quick, and I got a bunch of Christmas cards, which I am super excited about. Let's see, Margie, Jeanette, Michelle, Laura, Amy, Tina, the Wetzel family, and then Sandy and Suzanne sent me something. So I'm very, very excited. I cannot wait to open these out. Okay, so I had to share their beautiful Christmas card. This is really, really pretty. And obviously their little note inside says, "We knew you'd like the pin to add to your collection. Enjoy." And then it says, "Angie and Brian, have a wonderful Christmas, New Year. Can't wait to see you again, hopefully at the beach or at Disney, or beach and Disney. Love, Sandy and Suzanne." Thank you guys so much. And that pin is like everything. Oh my gosh, so pretty. Okay, so it is noon. And I actually just had my neighbor pick me up from the tire place and bring me home because my appointment was at 11 o'clock. I got there at 10:30 hoping that I could get in early and couldn't. So I walked down to Publix and got the few things that I needed. I went over to the Mexican place, which is right behind it, and had a taco, and they still hadn't taken my car back. So I'm like, what the crap? So I had my neighbor just come get me, and I came home. That way I can actually put some laundry in and kind of do some stuff around here, and then they can just call me when my car is ready, and then I will just have someone take me back over there, and I can pick up my car. Ridiculous. What's the point of having an appointment if you don't get your appointment? It's like a doctor's office. That's so frustrating. Ugh. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and get some stuff done around here and finish making up my bed because my phone rang when I was in the middle of making up my bed earlier, and I didn't get to finish making up my bed. So I'm gonna go do that right now. I need to put my son's Christmas card, I need to put a stamp on it. Oh no, and I have all my other Christmas cards are in the car from you guys. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to get all those labeled. and signed for you guys. But right now I'm gonna put my son's stamp on his card, get that in the mailbox, and then go finish making up my bed, and hopefully they'll call with my car in a couple of hours and I will have a car again. Oh, that's so annoying. But okay, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye. So I had went into Publix to grab a few things for our weekend trip, and I came across these Chex Mix, and these look so good. These are Muddy Buddies, peanut butter and chocolate, and I'm like, these look so good. So I'm gonna break into these and I'm gonna see how they taste, and I will let you guys know. All right, so they smell delicious. Now I'm gonna go ahead and try a couple of these. Oh, these are really good. Oh yeah, I like these. These are my new favorite snack. Mmm. I think I cut off the calories in them, but oops. All right, so you guys really want to know where we're going? You guys really want to know? Well, how badly do you want to know? Like really bad? We are going to Disney. We are. We are just doing a quick trip to Disney Friday night, Saturday night. We're coming home Sunday, but we're not in a hurry to come home Sunday. So we may mosey around Disney Springs for a little bit on Sunday morning. But yeah, we're not in a big, huge hurry. I do like to get home before it gets dark. And then of course, Monday's Christmas Eve. So I will have a few things that get done here, but we're going to Disney. Oh my God. I'm so excited. We are going to do all 4 parks. You guys will have to figure out where we're staying when I get there. I'll let you guys see. That I'll keep a secret. We've never stayed at this resort before. And so I'm excited to stay there. And I'm sorry, I'm chewing on these things. They're so good. Oh, hang on. So anyway, we are going to all 4 parks. I am going to be at Epcot because I want to watch the processional, the Christmas processional. So I told Brian, like, if he doesn't want to sit there and watch that, because I'm going to I think I'm going to watch the one at 6:45. And then after the processional, I'm going to go to Magic Kingdom. But I told him that if he didn't want to go to the processional, that he could just go back to the hotel. And then he could meet me over at Magic Kingdom. So we will see. Oh my God, we're going to Disney! We're going to Disney! Oh my God, I'm so excited. Okay, I'm so excited. But that's why I went and got the snacks for our trip. And I wanted to show you guys what I got. I got this bag while I was at Publix because I didn't want to carry the Publix plastic bag into the Mexican restaurant. So how appropriate, I got that bag. And then I got some bananas, and I already have pretzels. So I bought bananas, I have pretzels right here, and then this little plastic container has like cheddar, peanut butter, crackers, M&Ms, and Twix for like when we're in our room, or a snack in my purse or whatever, because we just like to have snacks. This is for breakfast. So yeah, we're not doing like the whole toaster this time. I wasn't even gonna bother bringing all that because it's just too much to carry around, too much to lug to the room. So I'm not gonna worry about all that. So, but I am excited. I'm so excited to go to Disney. It's like I haven't been there like forever, and I was just there in September, and then I'll be there again in March. But this time is just, I am so excited. We've had this plan for about a month now. I've really been bursting at the seams. It was like, wasn't sure we're gonna go. They're like, yeah, we're gonna go. But that's why I didn't want to say anything, because I don't know. All right, so I finished making up my bed. I have clothes now that I have to fold. You can see them sitting there. I gotta answer this text, and I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye, friends. Alrighty guys, so I just got back from picking up my car. It is 3:15. That is how long it took them to do my car. I had to get everything done on it. Alignment, new tires, oil change, blah, blah, blah. They did a whole check. Everything's all good to go. It's like I'm driving a brand new car. But I had went to Target first this morning before I went and got my car done. So I wanted to show you guys all the stuff that I got at Target. So I'm gonna go ahead and open this stuff up and get it all out and show you guys what I picked up at Target. All right, so here are a few things that I picked up while I was at Target. First thing, I picked up some M&Ms because I just love having these around the house in like little bowls and stuff, so I can just kind of grab some chocolate throughout the day. I picked up this little container, that way I can put some of Brian's body wash inside of here. He didn't want to carry around a ginormous bottle of body wash, so I'm just going to put some of that in here for him. I picked up some baby oil for, I think, my travel bag. Yes, and then I picked up some more of the lotion for our bathroom. I picked up 2 of the L'Oreal Blow Dried Thermal Smooth Cream. I love this stuff. And then I picked 2 of these Blow Dry It's up. I love this stuff. This stuff is the best. I love the way that it makes my hair feel. I took my last one of these this morning, so I knew I needed to get another one. This is that Renew Life Ultimate Flora for probiotic for IBS. This stuff is amazing. I picked up some large Ziploc bags. I picked up some stickers. And then I picked up a new Elf on a Shelf because mine lost his hat and I was very sad. And he'll have a friend now. So they're going to be like kind of twinsies. So I'll have 2 elves on a shelf, which I'm fine with. Let's see, I picked up some more of these like black yoga pants, kind of like the ones that I have on now, which I really like, especially for days like this when I'm just kind of running around, throw on a sweatshirt, throw out some yoga pants and some cute Christmas socks to wear. And I just thought I needed another pair of these because I don't have another pair that's like this long. So I picked up a pair of those. I picked up this shirt because it was actually really, really pretty. I love the floral pattern on it. It is short sleeve, but I just thought it would be really cute because I have like a light pink-ish sweater cardigan that I could wear with this. So I picked this up. And then I picked up a black shirt for Brian. It's just a normal like long sleeve black shirt. So I'm going to wash that up and he can wear that this weekend. And then I picked up these jammies for myself. This is a top and a bottom. And these are for, whoops, it's stuck here. This is for for Christmas Day, Christmas morning. I want to just be loungy and just kind of relax in some really cute like Christmas jammies. So I bought these. They were on sale for 25 bucks, so that's why I bought them. So that is what I'm going to wear for Christmas morning. And yeah, my friends, that is it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed hanging out with me the little bit that you got to. And yeah, stay tuned at the end for a special announcement. And I won't have a video up on Saturday or Sunday. I probably won't have one up on Monday. May not have one up on Christmas. I think I might just be taking a break because I'm going to be vlogging all weekend. So I will be taking a break from editing. I hope that you guys have a wonderful, wonderful holiday. And I will see you guys after the holidays. Thank you guys so much. Merry Christmas, and I will see you guys next week. Bye! I forgot one last thing. These are the Christmas cards that I received in the mail today. I opened these while I was waiting for my car to be done when I came home, and I wanted to share them with you guys. But thank you guys so much for sending these, and I will definitely be getting your cards out in the mail. I will drop them off in my mailbox this evening. Thank you guys so much. Merry Christmas.